Hey guys, I'm Shine. So here in my hands today, I have a box that I'm honestly contemplating canceling. Okay, so I actually have Allure Beauty box here in my hands for November. And honestly, if you have been here since the beginning, you know that Allure and I don't always get along. I don't know. Sometimes Allure kills it. Sometimes they don't. That's just the way it goes in my book. But I don't know. Allure's $15 a month. In it, you get luxury beauty. And I don't feel like Sephora Play is $10 a month, and in it you at least get products that are in Sephora. Like everything you get in Sephora Play, you can purchase in Sephora. Granted, the samples that you receive are tiny, but Allure, I feel like they're very misleading. So let's see if this box is any good or not. If it isn't, I'm gonna cancel. I feel like there's so many boxes out there, and I feel like I just keep always going back to this one because I always have hope for it. After all, it is Allure Best of Beauty, right? But isn't this an interesting introduction? Yes. Okay. So here's the November Allure Beauty box. Inside, sometimes you get full-size products, sometimes you don't. Sometimes you get samples. Sometimes they tell you that the sample that you have is lots and lots of money when really it's like $5 value. But here's Allure Beauty box. Let's see what's inside. Okay, let me say this. I have hope. It's the holidays. Usually these subscription boxes they do something nice for the holidays. So I have high hopes for this box. But with that said, I'm excited to get into it. So we got the tissue paper. Ooh, girl. Okay, I see Tarte Rainforest. This see lipstick. Oh my goodness. See, whenever I talk trash in these boxes, they always turn out to be really good. But when I'm like, oh yeah, they're the best in the world, so happy with it, they always suck. I don't know. It's just, I have no idea. I have no idea why it works that way, but it just does. So here's the Tarte Rainforest the Sea lipstick. I'm so excited. Tarte is one of my favorite high-end luxury brands. This is in shade Berry Mojito. Yes. Oh my goodness. Okay. So let's see what this looks like rolled up. Ooh, beautiful. Oh, I love that shade. Perfect for the holidays. I can totally get down for this. Also, the marbling on this is very beautiful. I don't think I've ever seen that on any Instagram post or whatever. The next thing that I'm pulling out is, I have no idea. I didn't even look at it yet, but it's Freeze 24/7 Anti-Aging Eye Serum. Some people are like, yes, send me skincare. I'm not one of those people. I feel like because I have so many boxes, I'm always getting skincare. And I'm always getting like eye serums and moisturizers and cleansers. It's not ever like the spot treatment stuff that I actually like need and request in my profile because I have cystic acne. I have PCOS, so I have hormonal acne. And that's what my skin needs. I need some spot treatments. I need some pigment lifting. I need all of that, not an eye serum. So I'm not excited about that. So we're kind of back down to ground zero. Was really excited about the Tarte. Not really about that little sample. Okay. Over here, I got Vichy mask. Oh, it's a clarifying charcoal mask. Oh my gosh. I was so excited, but I'm allergic to charcoal, which is on me. That's not on Allure. But that's cute. Okay. And sometimes I really think like, okay, coworker or best friend, and you don't have any money, but you buy gift boxes. I mean, you buy subscription boxes all year. Put this aside and it'll make a really, really cute gift set when it's their Christmas or it's their birthday. Like imagine getting this plus like 5 or 6 other items that you get inside of a subscription box that you're not absolutely in love with, but you know that your friend would appreciate. Okay. So do you guys remember when I was like luxury beauty in Allure? I love this brand. So this is not at all me talking trash on this brand, but we have a full-size Poreless Putty Primer, which I have really, 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 really wanted to try for a long time. So I'm excited that it's in here. But this is also something that I would expect to see in my Target or my Walmart beauty box. So that's cool. I'm very excited to try this product. Okay. The next thing that I have in my box are these Bliss That's Incredible Peel Spa Strengthening Glycolic Resurfacing Pads to smooth and brighten. Yes, I always get a lot of Bliss in my Target beauty boxes, which I honestly have not filmed in a while, just because I think they're so cute, and I'm just like, oh yeah, I don't think anybody else is interested in seeing these, but I've got a lot of pads in here, so I'm excited to try these out. And because they are a Target brand, I know that they're like easily accessible. Just order it online on Target and boom, you're done. And the last thing that I received is this Curology Way More Than a Cleanser Clean sweep. Okay, so it's ultra personal skincare for your skin individual needs. Okay, I didn't fill out anything like that with Allure, so let's get it out of the packaging and let's see. It just says cleanser right here. Cleanser. Massage onto damp face and neck. Use morning and night. Okay, so I don't know. Like, this is just a cleanser. There is no, like, prescription in it because it says step 1, clean with this. Then you put on a customized prescription cream, and then you put on a moisturizer. I haven't seen these in any other subscription boxes, so it's refreshing to see something new and a new brand in there. But I do feel like this is more of a sponsored product because of all of the extra packaging that advertises for them on the back. But let's see what the Allure magazine says. Now, let me explain for a hot minute why I feel like they're misleading. Okay, so right here, the first product they're introducing to us is the Tarte lipstick. And then at the bottom, it says price $21, right? Because you got a full-size lipstick, obviously. But then when it comes to, like, example, this eye cream, it says price $115. So they don't just go, okay, well, the full-size product's $115 and the sample that you got is this. If you don't look super closely, like, obviously these don't look the same. But the net weight is 0.5 fluid ounces, and this one is 0.23. So because I've done a lot of reviews for, like, one of the clients that I work for Allure, and I'm always like, oh my gosh, what's the actual value of this box? Because they don't put it in the magazine. They just put the full-size product. So if you aren't, like, doing super detective and going, oh my gosh, yes, these don't match, then you may be, like, thinking that you're getting a higher value than you're actually getting. And then we also have the Curology cleanser, and it says $19.99 and up for a set that includes a cleanser. But the cleanser that they have pictured is 1.4 fluid ounces, and this is 0.5. Then we have the e.l.f. Putty Primer, which is full-sized. There were 2 options for the masks. I can't use this one, but the retail value of it is $20 for, I don't know, it doesn't say the sizing of it. So maybe this is a full size. This is 0.5. So there's a possibility that this could be the full size. And then we have the Bliss That's Incredipeel, a retail value of $19.99 for a box of 15. And this box only has 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So that's kind of my love-hate relationship with Allure. I'm not impressed with this box, honestly. The only thing that I'm really honestly excited about in here is the putty and the lipstick. But I do feel like the putty that I could have just picked up myself, and the Tarte lipstick, I love Tarte. Like, that's why I'm very excited about the lipstick. But again, these products I could have bought by myself. So that's kind of my love-hate relationship with Allure. That's why I really feel like they're misleading with their products. I'm not impressed with this box. I don't really feel like I got anything that absolutely blew me away or made the box stand out from any other boxes that I've tried. I'm excited about the lipstick and the putty, but that's really it. And I haven't really been excited with Allure continuously. So I think I'm probably going to cancel this box. But what do you guys think? Do you guys think that I should keep it around, or should I cancel it? I can't wait to hear what your thoughts are in the comment section down below. I love you all so much, and I will see you in my next video.